Hey guys, my name's Dora, and today I'm showing you how to make these adorable watermelon bath bombs. Make sure that you stay tuned in for the results. Hey guys, this step is optional, but if you want more interest in your bath bomb, I suggest taking a little out of each batch and then intensifying the color. For variation. You can even do the stripes at the bottom for the green. I feel like I'm gonna do this bath bomb again, like a watermelon part 2. First, I should have done just a little bit of the green at the bottom. Like a watermelon slice is probably 25% green at the most, and then the rest is pink. And then remember those stripes I just mentioned with the intensify color we made? I didn't even do that. Also, I'm gonna try to find a big enough watermelon cookie cutter and try to make the bath bombs in there. How cute would that be? I did black seeds, however, I thought about doing little brown ones too, but I figured for the sake of this tutorial, I'd just stick with the iconic black seeds. Point I'm trying to make here is be creative and have fun with it. And if you guys make this, I'd love to see a picture of your watermelon bath bomb. Also, I feel like smaller seeds spaced out look better. However, if you're set on doing the bigger black seeds, make sure that you space them out more and have fewer in general. Although, if you mess up, you can always let it dry, then come back with a clean towel and wipe them right off.